The sun, 430 quintillion joules of energy shot to the Earth every hour. Now imagine just 60 minutes of this direct solar energy able to power your home and the Earth for a whole year. Our vision at SolarWind is providing you this affordable opportunity to pioneer this renewable movement with us together. The 21st century. Renting electricity is now a thing of the past. Lucky for you, SolarWind is creating the intersection of financial freedom and energy independence. How is this? By allowing you to stake your name into history books right alongside with us. Energy is the new currency, and SOW token is leading the charge. The future. Investing into safety is the precipice of our mission. Staking your SolarWind assets safely install solar panels on homes and crypto mining facilities alike. Our SOW community is saving the Earth, one joule at a time. Now, the real question becomes, will you help us lead the charge? Become an SOW pioneer and join the waitlist today.